Welcome to Kuvrr, one of the best mobile apps that delivers smart safety and peace of mind in a simple way. In this brief video, I will walk you through the sign-in process for Kuvrr, followed by a quick tour of its amazing safety features. Let's get started. I hope by now you have already installed Kuvrr from your favorite app store and are ready to get started. Launch Kuvrr on your mobile device and press Sign In. Great! This screen presents you an option to sign in with your email address. Please press Login with email address to log in. Now, please enter your email address and press Done. You should receive a 6-digit security code on your email address. Please check your mailbox. Don't see your security code in your email inbox? Please check your spam folder, as sometimes it may go there. Please enter that security code in the text field and press Verify Security Code. This should complete the sign-in process. Next, Kuvrr should prompt you to provide some permissions to Kuvrr so it can enable its safety features on your mobile device. Once you accept those, your Kuvrr is ready. Let's jump right into what can Kuvrr do for you. Hopefully by now you are on the Kuvrr main screen, which should look like the screen here. Please note that the green pin in the center of the screen is to indicate that location tracking will be active on alert. However, rest assured that Kuvrr is not tracking any location at this point. Let's go through each of these buttons and the awesome security features they provide for your safety.
Let's start with Dial 911 button. Use this button to call 911 to get connected with your local 911. When you dial 911 through this button, Kuvrr will also send an alert to the monitoring team as well as your emergency contacts, informing them that you are trying to call 911. Next is SOS button. As the name suggests, when pressed, SOS button immediately sends an SOS alert and starts transmitting your location from your mobile device to the monitoring team as well as to your emergency contacts. A chat view also opens up acknowledging your location, and if needed, you can chat with the monitoring agent. Remember, the chat is optional and conduct chat only if you can do so safely. Note that as soon as you stop the SOS from your Kuvrr app, your location tracking stops. One important point about your privacy. Kuvrr only tracks your location when you raise an alert such as SOS or walk safe, and only for the duration of that alert. Next, let's talk about Walk Safe, a very useful and a popular feature within our user base. Walk Safe, as the name suggests, starts tracking and transmitting your live location to the monitoring team member as you walk or drive. In other words, they are able to see your live location as you walk or drive on the map. Additionally, the optional chat feature is also available to chat with the monitoring team member. But again, please chat only if you can do so safely. Once you get to your destination, say your home or your car, you can close the Walk Safe event and carry on. Please note that as soon as you close the Walk Safe event, the live tracking also stops. Oh yes, the timer button. Timer allows you to automatically activate an SOS within a time frame set by you. For example, you can set the timer for 15 minutes in. If you don't deactivate the timer within 15 minutes, Kuvrr will automatically send an SOS alert on your behalf to the monitoring team and to your emergency contacts. This is very useful in situations where you would like to ensure that if you don't get back to Kuvrr in the time set on the timer, Kuvrr will automatically send SOS alerts.
Next is Medical Alert. As the name suggests, activating Medical Alert either via the Kuvrr app or by doing a double click on your panic button starts a 5-second timer on the app, and if the timer is not canceled from the app starts playing a siren and sends a medical emergency alert to the monitoring team as well as to the emergency contacts. Next is Check-in button. Check-in can be used for situations where you may want to indicate that you have arrived at a place safely or you are safe. In such cases, please press Do a check-in and then check out. Note that as long as check-in is active, your location is being tracked and the monitoring team is aware that you are indicating your presence at a location. What happens if you check in but don't check out? No worries, the checkout will automatically trigger in 1 hour from the check-in time, and you may get a call from the monitoring team to make sure you are okay. Note that Kuvrr only tracks your location for the duration of the check-in, and tracking stops as soon as the checkout happens, either explicitly by you or automatically after 1 hour from check-in.
Let's go over the settings. Settings menu is available at the top left corner of your Kuvrr screen. You see those three bars that look like this? Yes, that is Settings. Settings provides you with easy-to-use menus to add or update any information to your profile. Similarly, it has a menu for you to add your personal emergency contacts. I highly recommend filling in your profile as well as such as your vehicle information, as that could be useful in emergency situations. Additionally, please do take some time to add at least one emergency contact. Please be sure to inform them that you have added them as an emergency contact so that they are not surprised when they receive any test or real alerts from you. Next is Notifications. On the top right corner, you will see a bell icon. That indicates the notifications that may have been sent by your organizational safety team. If there are any notifications for you, the bell will have a blue circle with a number to indicate the number of notifications waiting for your attention. As you can see, currently, I have one notification waiting for me. Please note that your organization's safety team may send notifications to keep you updated on important safety or other critical matters. You have made it this far, bravo. I want to show you one last thing. The panic button connection indicator. On the top right corner right next to the bell icon is a circle. If it is solid red, it indicates that your panic button is not paired or connected with the app. As soon as you pair your panic button with the Kuvrr app, this indicator will turn a solid green. You can pair your panic button with Kuvrr app by going to Settings and then Panic Button menu. As you can see in the image here, my button is connected with my Kuvrr app and hence the circle is a solid green. It's very important. I will strongly recommend to check the green button every day to ensure that your panic button is connected and ready to go. That's it. You're all set to use Kuvrr. We hope you found this presentation useful. However, if you have any questions or suggestions, please feel free to reach out to us at support@kuvrr.com. We love your feedback and will greatly appreciate your thoughts. Before we finish, one more very important point. Be sure to let Kuvrr run on your mobile device in the background so that it's ready to go if and when you need to activate it. I will also suggest checking with Centene's safety team to see if they are running any monthly drills with Kuvrr so you practice activating alerts. On behalf of the Kuvrr team, I want to thank you for your time. Please be safe and be well.